You've asked for it. Here's the hip mobility tutorial on the 90-90 stretch, which improves both internal and external hip rotation, which you need for healthy hips and can help alleviate back pain. Give it a try. To get the best results, incorporate my belly breathing tutorial and my dynamic hip warm-up. Start in a seated positions with hands behind you, knees wider than hip width. Gently swivel your knees side to side. Pick a side as you lower your front knee to the ground, forming a 90-degree angle. Your knee should be in line with your ankle and your foot flex. On your trail leg, your hip should be in line with your knee and your foot also flex. Ideally, both legs will be forming a 90-degree angle. Don't worry if you don't look like me, as this movement is challenging for most people. Play around to see what works for you. Move center, move right, move left. Whatever you do, avoid rounding your back. Make any adjustments necessary as long as you keep your torso upright. Place your hands on each side of the front leg. Take a breath and slowly hinge from your hips. Gently press your knee and your shin to the floor. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds and push yourself up through your shin and your knee. I like to rotate side to side to add some extra flossing of the hip. Next, turn towards the back leg as you drive that glute down for your internal rotation of the back leg. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds before returning to center. A towel might help if you're having trouble with this position. Place the towel underneath the hip of the trail leg. Repeat the exercise again to see if this helps. Try using yoga blocks or blankets if you need the assistance. Play around with hand and leg positioning. Move around in all different directions to see what works best for you. Keep in mind you might experience some hip cramping, which is normal, but avoid anything where you're feeling a pinching or pain sensations. When doing the 90-90, it's important to ease into your movements to avoid injury. The best thing you can do is to practice deep breathing while you're going through each range of motion. Mobility takes time and it's not going to happen overnight. Last thing you want to do is to force any movements. Take a deep breath, experiment, and have fun with it. We need both internal and external rotation to maintain healthy hips for life. The 90-90 is a great way to do this. Spend a few minutes a day and let me know how it goes. I'd love to hear your honest feedback, so like, comment, and share.